Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into eBay, manage buying and selling activity step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to www.ebay.com. If you are using a phone, open the eBay app from your home screen. On the website, find the sign in link at the top left or top right of the page. In the app, tap My eBay or the profile icon to reach the sign-in screen. Click or tap Sign In to open the login form. Enter your email address or username in the first field. Click Continue to move to the password step. Type your password carefully in the password field. If you want, enable Stay Signed In only on your personal device. Click or tap the Sign In button to access your account. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If eBay asks for a verification code, check your email or SMS and enter the code. After signing in, go to My eBay to see your account dashboard. Select Summary to view recent activity and important notifications. Choose Purchase History to track items you bought and check delivery updates. Open an order to view the tracking number, seller details, and estimated delivery. Use Messages to communicate with sellers or buyers about your orders. To manage returns, go to Purchase History, select the item, and choose Return this item, if available. To start selling, click Sell on the top menu or tap Sell in the app. If prompted, confirm your contact details and identity to activate selling features. Open Selling in My eBay to view listings, active sales, and performance. Select Active to edit your listing title, price, shipping, or quantity. Go to Orders under Selling to see what has sold and what needs shipping. Open an order and choose Print Shipping Label or Ship Now to buy a label. Enter the package weight and dimensions, then confirm the shipping service. After shipping, verify that tracking is uploaded so the buyer can follow the delivery. To manage payouts, open Payments to check available funds and payout status. For account safety, visit Account Settings to update password and enable extra security options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.